Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing LCM and HCF problems, the two applications of problems. Let's see the first question. The tremors of earthquake were felt at intervals of 15 seconds. The tremors of earthquake were felt at intervals of 15 seconds and the first tremor was felt at 8:54:57 am. It means 8 hours 54 minutes 57 seconds and the last tremor was felt at 10 hours 45 minutes 12 seconds am. How many times were the tremors were felt? We need to find the number of times the tremors were felt. First of all, in order to calculate how many times the tremors were felt, if we want to know this value, first of all we need to find what is the time gap between first tremor and last tremor. Time gap between first tremor and last tremor. Here first tremor is 8:54:57 and from 8:54:57 to 9 am. What is the time? And after that 9 am to 10 am. What is the time gap? And from 10 am onwards, 10 am to, and the last tremor was felt at 10:45:12 seconds, that is am only. Here it is am. First of all, calculate the total time period. After adding all these values, you will get the total time period. See, first of all, to reach from this point to 9 o'clock, this time period to 9 o'clock, how much time is required? That is 5 minutes 3 seconds. 5 minutes 3 seconds. Here if we add 3 seconds to this number, the time period becomes 8:55. Still 5 more minutes to reach 9 am. Therefore 5 minutes 3 seconds, which is equal to how many seconds? 5 minutes is nothing but 5 into 60. That is 300 plus 3, 303 seconds. This is the first time period. After that 9 to 10. 9 to 10 means exactly 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. After that 45 minutes. 10 am to 10:45 12. That is 45 minutes. 45 minutes 12 seconds, which is equal to 45 minutes is nothing but 45 into 60 seconds, that is 2700 plus 12, 2712 seconds. Now you can add total time period. Here the units place is 5, after that tens place 1 and hundreds place 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 7 16. And next here it is 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 6615 seconds. Here the total time gap from this time period to this time period, which is equal to 6615. Now it is very easy to calculate how many times the tremors were felt. As we know that for every 15 seconds the tremors of earthquake were felt. So you have to divide with 15. Here how many times? 15 fours are 60. Again 6 is left over. 61 means again 16 fours are. After that 15 ones are. Here this value is 441 times. Exactly 441 times the tremors of earthquake were felt. That is the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here, a light blinks after every 3 seconds. Another light blinks after every 5 seconds. And the third one blinks after every 16 seconds. Here total we have 3 lights. First one, second one and third one. First one blinks after every 3 seconds. And the second one blinks after every 5 seconds. And the third one blinks after every 16 seconds. How many times do they blink together in half an hour? It is an application of LCM. Why? Because together in the sense all three lights blinks together means that is an application of LCM. All three lights blink together for the first time after how much time period? In order to get that value, you need to calculate the LCM of these three values, which is equal to, here all the three numbers are different numbers and there is no common factors in this. So directly you can take LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 15 and 16 is, that is 240. 240 seconds. 240 seconds is equal to 4 minutes exactly. After every 4 minutes, all three lights will blink together. Right? Now the question is, how many times do they blink together in half an hour duration? Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. So you need to divide this value with 4 minutes in order to get the answer. Here it is not exactly cancelled, but we don't want the remainder. We want the quotient value exactly how many times. Here it is 4 sevens are 28. Up to 28 minutes, 7 times all three lights will blink together. But 8th time it will not happen. If we want 8th time also, we require 32 minutes of time period. Why? Because 32 by 4 is equal to 8. But up to 30 minutes, only 7 times will blink together. 7 is the answer for this question. See the next question. What is the minimum number of square marbles required to tile a floor of length 2 meter? 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter and 3 meter and 36. 3 meter and 300 plus 36. 336. 336 centimeter. Right? Here also we need to calculate minimum number of square marbles. If we want to use minimum square marbles, that particular marble size should be maximum. So first calculate HCF of these two. 300, 336 and 200. Divide greatest value with smallest value. Here you got the remainder 136. Again divide previous divisor with this remainder. 1 time 136, 64. Again previous divisor. Here it is 2 times 128. Remainder is 8. Divide previous divisor 64 with this 8. 8 8 is 64. Remainder 0. Now the HCF of those two numbers is 8. It means the length of each marble is 8 centimeters. The length of each marble is 8 centimeters. Now the question is, what is the minimum number of square marbles? We need to find the number of marbles required to pave the floor. Right? Here which is nothing but area of floor is equal to number of marbles into area of each marble. Area of each marble. Here area of floor is equal to 200 centimeters into 336 centimeters is equal to number of marbles we don't know, that we have to calculate. And as we are using square marbles, area of square marble with a side of 8 centimeters, that is 8 into 8. Now you can cancel with 8 table. Here it is 8 4s and next 8 2s. After that again you can cancel with 8 table. Here it is 8 2s 16, 8 5s. Now you can multiply these two. Here you can go with this one for 25 into 42, which is nothing but you can multiply this. You can write this 25 as 100 by 4. Now which is equal to 1050. 1050. That is the product of these two numbers. 1050. These many marbles are required to pave the floor. 1050 is the required answer for this question. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.